another Epic Flows production.
Right there, new video. You already know, man. BT does it way too big on Tuesday night.
Y'all ready to check it out? Check it out right now.
Right, this up. Enemies. Yeah, first year in UTech and I'm already making friends.
Yo, Epic, Shayo,
yeah, first year in UTech and I'm already making enemies.
But I don't know them by name, they in front of me. Shit.
Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise and Radical Effect. Remember me, you'll never forget. Location, LOAD, UTech. Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise and Radical Effect. Remember me, you'll never forget. Location, LOAD, UTech. From the darkness to the light, no matter wrong or the right. Remember me, backing up galaxy to light. Like a projectile motion, man, I'm taking free flight. Radical epic, I'm destined, tested for this mic. It's UTech versus Grim Paradise. Success, man, I need the biggest fucking bite. Like advanced nanobots, man, I'm trying to fix my life. Next to perfect, gotta make it in this life. Remember me, like your water in the summer. Remember me, like your sweater in December. Remember me, boy, you don't wanna start none. I'm crossed like my threads, don't get it twisted like my buttons.
Forget me like pedestrians, Australia talking lesbians. Forget me now, everyone taking over any man. Fix that they an element, that joke nigga parodied. And mouth need a chastity. Don't hesitate, your sister bitch, talking shit Listerine. My present name's an Istra, to me scriptures, Old Testimony. Effing up the game, getting it pregnant. To me these niggas is some babies, with my mic I'ma christen them. Y'all don't wanna see me take a fall, chain reaction. Y'all don't wanna see me take it all, what's your action? Fraction at a time, I'll be playing like I'm acting. But check it, I'll be running on the scene, capture.
Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise and Radical Effect. Remember me, you'll never forget. Location, LOAD, UTech. Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise and Radical Effect. Remember me, you'll never forget. Location, LOAD, UTech. I'm taking it to the top, show you what I got. My neck with my chain, some chicks and my watch. Now watch me sticking it to the cops. No guns, no gets about the money that's facts. I'm all over these girls, they all over my balls. I'm all over these girls, I'm taking in no more calls. Cause I got under her, then I got over her. And she'll remember me, I won't remember her. Yeah, she'll be all upset, but I'll have no regrets. It's Grim Paradise versus UTech. I like it sunny in these days are dark for me, I ain't a dummy. I'm more of an OG, so call me Bunyan. Cause I'm bringing all the pain, I'm like an onion. Bitches crying over me and I just saw into the future, man. I'm more vicious than a pitbull or a Doberman. And you ain't nothing but a poodle or a pooch, man. So remember me to let me have to shoot you, man. Remember me to let me have to shoot you, man. Remember me to let me have to shoot you, man. Shoot you, man. Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise and Radical Effect. Remember me, you'll never forget. Location, LOAD, UTech. Relax, no fret, don't sweat. Grim Paradise.